Here's a quick tutorial to show you how to use iBiz online tools to update your contact information, links to social media account, or product information in one simple step. To begin, open your web browser and go to iBiz.system. Click the Login button located on the upper right-hand corner to go to the login page. If you are the iBiz account holder, simply enter your email address. No password is required. And you will receive an email with a web link to edit and view your iBiz account in real time. If you are an administrator managing multiple iBiz accounts, log in with your username and password when the administrator account is created. After you log in successfully, your iBiz account will be in edit mode, like this page. You can edit text fields, images, or web link by clicking on the pencil icon next to the editable area. Once you are done editing, click on the green check mark to accept the change. You can update the information as often as you like. These updates you accepted will take effect immediately. To check the new content, tap your iBiz card to see the new content. When you are done with the edits, simply close the web browser to exit. Thank you for choosing iBiz for your smart business card.